What's up guys, it's E from E for Excellence, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resell your sneakers on StockX.
27 hearts beat!
Alright, so for this example, I'm going to take the Yeezy 350 all black version non-reflectives that just dropped last week. So when you get your sneakers, you'll either have gotten them online or in the store. So this plays a big part in how you sell your sneakers. If you got them in the store, you're good to go. You can sell them right now if you wanted to. Now that's based off your judgment. You got to know how hyped the sneaker is and whether that profit is going to either go up or if it's going to go down. So you want to figure out and know your retail and resale difference between that. However, if you got your sneakers like I did online on the Adidas site or whatever site you use, for me, because I got the Yeezys, of course they were on Adidas. If you got them online, you have to factor in the fact that you have to wait about an average of 5 to 7 business days for the sneakers to come through. Mine came through pretty quick. I got them on Friday and they got to me around Wednesday. So yeah, about 5 days. But once you got those sneakers, then you can sell them. But you have to, again, wait for the sneakers to come. So for me, I saw the resale was about $500, but then between the 5 days that it took to get all the way to Wednesday, it went down to about 300 something. So unfortunately my $260 about resale kind of came down all the way to like 60, 70 maybe. Don't know the math off the top of my head, but yeah. So you want to be aware of what sneakers you buy and kind of the resale value that it'll have before and after you sell them. That will dictate if you should buy them in the first place or when you do sell them. Okay, so once you got your sneakers, right, you either have two options. It's either you either got them in store or you bought them online. Now this is really important. If you got your sneakers in store, you can sell right now. Now you have to be the judge of when you do want to sell your sneakers, whether it be now or later. That all depends on the type of shoe, what sneakers you get, and the hype level for it, right? For me specifically, when I got the Yeezys, they were $220, but I bought them online. So when I checked the actual StockX app, I found out that the sneakers, so I bought the Yeezys for about $220, exactly $220, free shipping of course, thank you Adidas. After that, again, like I said, the price went down a little bit on the resale. It started about $500 and then it dipped down to about $300. So really only made about $80, but after the whole processing fee, about $70. So not a bad come up. It's $70 more than I had yesterday. So definitely I would say it's worth it. You know, definitely make sure that when you buy sneakers in advance, you think about the processing fee. Definitely don't want to sell something for $10 over retail because you're going to end up paying that in the processing fee anyway. So yeah, started off with $220 and ended up making $300. So definitely a great day. $80 in my pocket that I didn't have, $70 really. But yeah, $70 in my pocket that I didn't have yesterday. So it's all about baby steps, and once you start, making more money by doing it, you'll be able to see your profits grow more and more. All right, so once you found the size and you found how much your sneaker is going for, you'll click the sell button, and it's going to give you two options. It's going to tell you that you can either place your asking rate or you can sell now. Now that's completely up to you, like I said earlier, depending on how the shoe is hyped or how it's doing and the resale value, whether it's going to increase or decrease. That's going to be whether you want to hit the ask or to sell. So asking, I would definitely do the ask if you want to. If you know that your sneaker is going to be worth a certain amount and it's probably going to get higher, you probably want to put that ask rate for a little bit higher so that you can get the highest price that you can get. If not, and you just want to sell the sneakers, then you click that sell button. So for me, example, when I got the Yeezys, like I was saying, it took about 5 days. Between those 5 days, I lost about maybe $200 because of the length of time that it took. So for me, I was ready to just sell, right? So once you are ready to go, you're gonna click that sell button. Once you've actually sold the shoe, you wanna head over to your email. StockX will send you an email in your inbox and it'll basically have the shipping label and everything else that you need to know about selling the shoe. So you go ahead, you'll print out that shipping label. On it will have some instructions too in case you're not exactly sure. If this is your first time, I know it's helped me out on my first time selling. But if it's your first time selling, they have step-by-step instructions to help you out. So yeah, so you just go ahead and print that shipping label out. You'll go ahead and tape it onto your box and you're good to go.
2 hours later.
So basically I got my Yeezy box right here. everything that I'm gonna ship off. The actual Yeezy box is inside of this. All you have to do is just print out this label, stick it right on. You can tape it on, or if you have a label printer, you can use that as well. And you do it and you're good to go. So we're about to go and head inside this UPS and ship these things off.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so just got back from the UPS store. Yeah, got my receipt, just put it on the counter. He scanned it, gave it right back to me, and that's pretty much it. So sneakers are sold, on their way to StockX. Wait about a week and money's gonna be in the bank account. Yeah, that's it. That easy. If you're somebody who's looking at me and watching this video like, I don't even know what sneakers he's talking about, I don't even know about sneakers, I just know that this is a business, this is a way to make money, and this is what I want to do. Totally understand, that's completely fine. My feedback would just be research, research, research. Know what sneakers are coming out that people want. Don't try to go after ones, of course, that people aren't going to get. You want to go after ones that people are going to really want, that are hyped up, that are going to go for a lot of resale. So even if you're not sure about sneakers and you don't really have time to research, a quick and easy thing that you can do is just pay attention to the StockX resale prices, okay? So if you're just looking on there, you can just look at the different shoes that are about to release. Look at how much that sneaker is about to go for and how much that people are asking for to buy them from. And look at the resale value of that sneaker. Once you do that, then you'll be able to figure out, okay, this sneaker is going for this much resale. Let me find out the retail value of it and then subtract the difference. That should be able to tell you what sneaker will be good or not good to sell. As far as the other stuff, like how long is it going to be up there, how much is it going to go for a resale, as far as whether it's going to go up or going to go down after releases, those things are kind of things that you can't really factor in. You kind of got to know your stuff. So I would say if you're a new up-and-coming seller, reseller I should say, then I would do my research. I would just try to figure out what sneakers are important to cop and which ones aren't, which ones are hype, which ones aren't. And yeah, just do as much research as possible. You know, you can still make a profit of just selling stuff based off of what you see as far as prices, but knowing your sneakers, really being a sneakerhead, actually pays off. So that's my advice for brand new resellers. All right, so that's it. You've sold your sneakers and you're good to go. It's probably about a week that it'll take for the shoe to get to StockX, and then for StockX to be able to verify. Once it's verified, you're good. Money's in your account and you're good to go. You're about a couple $100 richer, or however much money you make. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe too. I got some awesome, amazing content coming up. I got a lot of stuff that I really think is just not on YouTube right now, especially if you're a sneakerhead, and especially if you're a sneakerhead who really wants to start their own sneaker brand. Definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I put up new content. So yeah, that's it. Definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you next time.